Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, everyone. My name is Zunba Misra, and I am from Kushinagar. My father name is Mr. Amit Kumar Misra, and he is a farmer, as well as my mother name is Mrs. Viva Misra, and she is a teacher. Now I'm doing NM from Sankar Nursing Paramedical Institute. I want to be professor. My hobby is dancing. Now I'm tell about Gorakhpur city. Gorakhpur is a famous city in Uttar Pradesh. He located Rapti River, Rohini River. I like Rohini River. There are many hospitals, AIMS hospitals, Savitri hospitals, Pulse Hospital, and there are many malls, Orient Mall, V Mart, Family Bazaar, Big Bazaar. Just I like Orient Mall because it's very pretty and beautiful place. You
First of all, I want to pay the thanks to my respected sir who has given me golden chance to say something on the here. Now I am going to tell about my intro. Hi, my name is Nisha Gupta and I am from Devariya and my father is Mr. Mohan Gupta and he is businessman as well as my mother is Mrs. Kismati Devi and she is domestic manager and I have done 12 from Devariya with and and I have done 12 from Devariya. Right now I am doing NM from Sankar Nursing and Paramedical Institute, Kusmi Gorakhpur. I have done 12 from Kusmi Gorakhpur. I want to be a government nurse. My hobby is traveling. That's all. Now I am going to tell about Gorakhpur city. Gorakhpur city is a big city in Uttar Pradesh. There are located Rapti river in Gorakhpur. There are many hospitals in Gorakhpur, such as AIMS Hospital, Fatima Hospital, Gorakhnath Hospital, Savitri Hospital. But I like AIMS Hospital because anytime available doctor in common time. Their facility is good. There are many malls in Gorakhpur such as Orion Mall, V Mart, Vishal Mega Mart, but I like Orion Mall because many product in available in Orion Mall. There are many hospital. There are many such as Gorakhnath Temple, Budhiya Mata Temple, Tarkulana Temple, but I like Gorakhnath Temple because uh, because uh, because facility is good and many families and couples in come in Gorakhnath Temple. There are many parks in Gorakhpur such as V Park, Ambedkar Park, Champa Devi Park, but I like V Park because many couples and family come in V Park. There is one platform in Gorakhpur. There is located close the Nepal border. There Gorakhpur is famous for many reasons such as Gorakhnath Temple, Gita Press, Railway Museum. There are many there is a big forest in Gorakhpur, just like Kusmi forest. There is a one army school in Gorakhpur.
Good morning, sir, and good morning, ma'am. Good morning, my dear friends. First of all, thanks to my respected sir and ma'am who has given me golden chance to say something on here. And I am going to tell about my intro. My name is Rinki and I am from Gorakhpur and my father is Mr. Ramakant Kushwaha and he is a doctor as well as my mother is Lilavati Devi and she is a domestic manager and I have done graduation from Chauri Chaura with 89%. Right now I am doing NM from Sankar Nursing and Paramedical Institute, Kusmi, Gorakhpur, and I want to be a government nurse. My hobby is traveling and plantation. I am going to tell my topic Gorakhpur city. Gorakhpur city is famous city because our chief minister belong to Gorakhpur city and there are many park in Gorakhpur just like V Park, Ambedkar Park, Pant Park, Champa Devi Park, and I like V Park. There are many hospitals in Gorakhpur city, just like Rachit Hospital, AIMS Hospital, BRD Hospital, and I like AIMS Hospital because their facilities are very good and doctor come on time and free treatment all patient. There are many bank in Gorakhpur city, just like Baroda Bank, SDFC, Allahabad Bank, Indian Bank, and I like Indian Bank. There are many nursing colleges in Gorakhpur city, just like BRD Medical College, Sankar Nursing College, Fatima Nursing College, Savitri Nursing College, and I like Sankar Nursing College because their facilities are very good and Their teachers are very good. Uh, there are many temple in Gorakhpur city, just like Tarkulha temple, Gorakhnath temple, Budhiya Mata temple, and I like Tarkulha temple. There are many colleges in Gorakhpur city, just like uh, MGPG college, Mahatma Gandhi college, and I like Mahatma Gandhi college. There are many hospitals in Gorakhpur city, just like Savitri Hospital, Fatima Hospital.
There are many temples, just like Budhiya Mai temple, Tarkurha temple, Gorakhnath temple, and I like Gorakhnath temple because many people visit on Gorakhnath temple, and there is one second biggest railway railway junction, and there are many malls, uh, Orion malls, city malls, V Bazaar, V Mart, and I like Orion malls because many products are available, and and there are many hospital, AIMS Hospital, Savitri Hospital, Fatima Hospital, Pulse Hospital, Medical Hospital, and I like AIMS Hospital because doctors are anytime available and come on time, and there are many bus stand, Kachhari bus stand, railway bus stand, and there are many park, Nauka Bihar, V Park, and